So if I'm going to do a demi color on her to cover her gray, for me, I'm going to formulate at least one level lighter than the desire that I want, because fine hair is going to take color quickly, heavily, soak it all up and appear darker, especially if you're working with cooler bases. Remember, if you follow me, you know I always say blue is the bully. So if you're going in with a color that has a cool, even like a neutral has a lot of blue in it, a cool base, they're going to drink in that color. So I always say err on the side of one level lighter. Now, remember, I'm talking about demi color, because someone will hear this and then they'll go in and go a shade lighter with permanent color. And then you're going to get a hot root, because fine hair will lift quicker. So you don't want to go a level lighter if you're using permanent. I'm referring to demi color. So this girl comes in, she just wants her gray covered. If I were to match her, I would not go in with her natural level. I would go one level lighter, because in deposit only, there's no lift happening, and it's going to completely just add color in. Fine hair going to look deeper.